ducks said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. Quack, 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 where'd they go? Where's the pack? Quack, 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 only 4 came back. 4 little ducks went out to play, swimming around in the sunny bay. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. Quack, 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 where'd they go? Where's the pack? Quack, 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 only 3 came back. Oh no, what could they be? Hiding under a big oak tree, skipping rocks or climbing high, flying away in the big blue sky. 3 little ducks went out to roam. One found a puddle and called it home. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back.